Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sainte-Justine is a municipality located in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of southern Quebec within the Les Echemins Regional County Municipality. The community has a population of 1,800 people and is surrounded by forests, farmland, rivers, and rolling hills that define much of the Echemins region. Sainte-Justine is known for its rural landscapes, agricultural traditions, forestry history, and strong community identity connected to southern Quebec. The municipality was established during the 19th century as settlers moved into the region through farming and forestry expansion. Like many communities in the Echemins area, early settlement depended heavily on clearing land, building roads, and developing farms capable of supporting growing families. Rivers and forests played an important role in transportation and industry during the early years of development. Over time, churches, schools, and local businesses helped shape the center of community life. The name Sainte-Justine reflects the religious traditions that influenced many Quebec communities during the settlement period. Parish churches often became the center of local activity and played an important role in organizing education, religious life, and social events. The church architecture and traditional village layout seen in many parts of southern Quebec remain important reminders of the province's cultural and historical roots. Agriculture has long been one of the most important industries in Sainte-Justine and throughout the Echemins region. Dairy farming, livestock production, maple syrup operations, and crop farming continue to support the local economy. Farms spread across the surrounding countryside create the open rural landscapes that define much of the area. Agriculture remains closely connected to both the economy and identity of the municipality today. Forestry also contributed heavily to the growth of the region during the 19th and 20th centuries. Large forests surrounding Sainte-Justine provided timber for construction, heating, sawmills, and manufacturing. Logging operations and wood processing created employment opportunities throughout the region for generations. Even today, forests remain one of the defining natural features of the area surrounding the municipality. The Echemins region is known for its outdoor recreation and changing seasons. Summers bring hiking, fishing, boating, camping, and cycling activities across the countryside and nearby lakes. Autumn transforms the forests with colorful foliage that attracts visitors from across Quebec and beyond. Winters are long and snowy, supporting snowmobiling, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and other seasonal activities popular throughout rural Quebec. Transportation routes help connect Sainte-Justine to nearby communities such as Lac Etchemin and Saint-Georges. Roads linking the municipality to larger regional centers allowed agricultural products, lumber, and goods to move more efficiently throughout southern Quebec. These transportation connections also supported economic growth and encouraged settlement across the wider region. Today, Sainte-Justine remains connected to the agricultural and forestry traditions that shaped its history for more than a century. The municipality reflects the rural landscapes, community values, and natural beauty that define much of the Chaudiere-Appalaches region. Visitors passing through the area experience a part of Quebec shaped by farming, forests, changing seasons, and generations of local history. watching!